Welcome to Boundless Shift channel tutorials. So what are we going to do today? Basically, to access your Microsoft Word application easily, which is now Microsoft 365 Word. Alright, so how do you go about? Go to Start button, bottom left corner, you click Start, then you scroll down, locate Word. Once you've located Word, you point on your Word application, then you right click. After right clicking, there is the first option, it says pin to start. You click once. So what is going to happen? On the left section of your start menu here, it will be pasted along these other applications here. So I click pin to start. Then here it has been added now. So next time, let me close my start menu. Go back to start button. Now on my start menu, it is here. So now I can easily access it. So another option, how do we pin your Word application again? So start button, scroll down, go down to it. There, point, right click. Then you go to the more option. Then you say pin to taskbar. What is the taskbar? The bottom section of your window here, which contains those icons, that is your taskbar. So as you see, some applications are already here. So each and every time if you want to access your Word from the taskbar, then that is what you are going to do. More, pin to taskbar, and then you click. Then now we will see here at the bottom, I have my Word icon added there now along these options. So we've added your Word application to start menu and also to your taskbar. What if now you want to unpin them, or there's an application that is here you want to unpin? So on this instance, we are talking about Microsoft Word. You point to it, you right click, then you can say unpin from taskbar. That is how you remove it. Same applies. Go to start menu. For the one that's on your start menu, you right click, unpin from start. So that is it.